Hold on, I gotta get a cigarette. I need my cigarette. Drink coffee.
Welcome back to the channel.
People update time!
Well, that ain't it, Bailey. What's got you? What's on the agenda for today?
We need an e-brake. We can't get no foot brake. Might as well put an e-brake in it. We gotta stop somewhere. Shit.
Yeah. Look what we got, y'all. Brand new tool. We had to get one after using it. Ben come to save the day, y'all. He done brought us some nut certs. We gonna get us one of these, y'all. Just squeeze it, bro. Just squeeze it. That's all. Oh, did you just break it? You broke it. What was all that popping? Supposed to do that?
I don't see nothing wrong with nothing. Not even this thing. It's in there.
That's probably his elbow popping and shit where he's old. So this is gonna come in handy putting this e-brake in. Here's our e-brake stuff. Here's one cable. We'll get it without breaking the truck. There's one cable. This is off of a Honda, y'all. We done tried to put one on one side, and I believe it's gonna fit right in this thing. It's like it was made for it. Here's our e-brake handle. We're gonna try to put this thing right here. We're obviously gonna have to build a new handle for this thing. So we're gonna cut this handle off. And we're not gonna be able to use the push button thing no more. Of course, he said he didn't want that on there, so he don't want it as a parking brake. He just wants to pull it for emergencies and use it as a hand brake.
Strong, bro.
You showed me what a grinding wheel.
Oh, well that's why it's strong, bro. Damn.
Yeah, that's gonna take forever.
Yeah, we
I was wondering what the hell you was doing.
Damn. I'm glad you said so, because I was gonna keep on getting
He was grinding the hell out of it.
Yeah,
It's strong.
It's a strong metal, bro. You laughing at me. You use a grinder with it. Couldn't tell me before. You had to make a joke out of it.
Just enough. Just enough. Just enough. All right. Okay. There we go. All right. Show them the magic. There we go. We got some threads up in that thing. We'll get that back one threaded on, then we'll mark his front hole. And the bad thing about that front hole, y'all, he don't know it yet, but we gotta take that seat out to get to it. So he's gonna love that when we get to that.
What? What are you talking about?
Nothing. We just gonna keep working.
Yeah, I'm gonna love it when we get to that, y'all. Love this shit. Watch and see. Trying to drill the hole in beside the seat. Gonna have to take the seat out. Is that where we was going? Is that where we was going with that?
Yeah.
You gonna love that?
Right there. So now we get to take the seat out.
I can go under the truck with the big bit and drill one up to there.
How you gonna get the rib nut up? Still gotta take the seat out.
Some gun if you don't. Well, guess we're taking the seat out. People update time.
There's our mailman. He thinks we're crazy as hell.
We are crazy, Steve.
All right, here. This is what we got. We bent this out of something. What is this?
It's a
Water line or something?
piece of gas line. Pizza.
There's the brake mechanism.
Yeah, I don't know. Water line, gas line. I don't. Some kind of line.
I wonder if it's gonna be strong enough. It's pretty thick. We notched it where to fit over the brake there. Let's get ready to weld it on there.
I'm gonna try.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. So that's way better. That's enough to stop the truck right there. Damn!
What the hell?
Pull my hairs off. Damn. Go burn it in there. It looks like hell. I mean, it's there, but it don't look that good. We ain't going for looks, though. We're going for brakes. No matter what it looks like, as long as it stops. If it don't stop, then it ain't gonna look good anyway. There's so much better than climbing under there and putting nuts and washers and stuff on there. Ain't it?
Yeah. Alright. Skirt! Skirt! When you sit in there, can you skirt it? You'll be hitting your leg.
I'm stopping. Oh shit, no brakes. Yeah. Whoa! We stopped this baby.
Skirt!
You already showed them this part.
Yeah, I done showed them this part. But I'm trying to tell them what we're doing next.
People update time!
Alright. We got it.
People update time!
We gotta put this on.
Are you ever gonna tell them people what they need to know?
You gotta shut the hell up. Alright, we gotta put this on. This goes at the end of these cables. Right here. Like that, y'all. Sits on there. Let me move this rubber thing out the way. It's hard to do this with one hand. Some cables sit in there like that. So we're gonna use some more nut certs. Put this thing right there, then drill holes right in the back of that. Have it come through there. We got this thing a little bit off center, so let's hit something like that.
Gotta be straight with it. A little bit off. Man, that took my breath.
What?
That fart you just cut. That shit was right. What's the difference between me smoking my cigarette and you cutting your gas?
Mine ain't killing.
Yeah, the hell it is. Shit. Whoa. That's why you was laughing. That shit good. Gracious.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Good one. There ain't nothing good about that. I gotta hold my breath while I'm working in here and just take a little breaths. I don't want to ever eat that again. That was not right.
We gonna take keys off.
Yeah, that's not gonna be easy.
If you start that thing right there, you can just twist it off.
Alright, let's do it.
I'll be your back door man. That sounded like some gay stuff, didn't it?
And then he says some dirty niece.
Dirty knees. There you go. Just jerk it off there. Just jerk it off. I'm your back door man. There you go.
There you go.
Hook this in the drill. Go.
Alright. You gonna hold this piece? Oh, I'm putting it back on.
Yeah. Look at that. Damn, we smart as hell sometimes.
What am I looking at here?
You gotta go in that hole. There you go. There you go. There you go.
I'm going to put some fishing weights on. Hey.
Put some fishing weights on it.
That's what I was thinking when I looked at it. They were fishing weights. You would just put them on until they all fill that whole gap up with that shit. Only in the brake, man. They alright. You got a little land.
You just gotta pump the regular brakes and the e-brakes iffy.
Yeah. The e-brake's fishy. So fishy about this shit.
Gotta adjust this.
You had the f***ing fart again! God, I don't know what the hell. I'm on the wrong side of the truck.
Oh,
It's like so down. We got e-brake on there. It don't work worth a shit neither. How about that? We just ain't got. We ain't gonna have no brakes. This is one of them cars you ain't got brakes.
we tried the e-brake, y'all. We pushed the truck up the hill. I didn't film it, but we pushed the truck up the hill and I pulled the brake and it did absolutely nothing.
Turn the wheel. I got it all the way up.
Yeah, it's not doing shit.
We built us a go-kart brake.
When it flaps on the tire.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We put some big flaps on it up here. It's stopping, it's slowing. Well, it ain't stopping, but it's slowing down.
Alright. Now, you see the caliper moving.
Hell no, it ain't moving at all. That thing is seized up tighter than dog something. Nothing's moving. Look. Push it again. Watch it. You push it. You got it? Now watch it. Look, here's the pad, right? The calipers ain't even coming out at all. I can see them. They ain't doing nothing. It ain't our e-brake.
Alright, we're gonna take this thing apart and see if we see anything wrong with this thing.
It's alright. We're rebuilding the whole brake system. Again. Come over here cutting that nose, cutting nothing of that. You lying! Damn! Can't breathe in that, man. Damn, it's gonna hurt somebody. You talking about? I know you talking about me and the climate change. You just changed the whole damn thing.
That is right.
It ain't even a cigarette can help that climate.
That smell like dog duty.
Yeah, I might be changing the climate, but you poisoning. You poisoning control.
Oh, I gotta go, bro. This stinks over here. Alright, y'all. I forget where we left off. Just trying to adjust these brakes. Did you finally get it?
I did. Damn.
Alright. Yep, that's... They working.
Huh?
It works on this side. Let me check this side. Yep. Alright. Finally got some e-brakes. Alright, we got the wheels back on it. Golly. Oh, not even a little bit. Didn't even try to stop it.
Shit, it's too cold to even think about. Shit. Ragged ass shit.
Why you shut all the doors up?
Cause it's cold as hell. Shit.
We still working.
What we doing?
You ain't got no brakes.
We ain't got no brakes again.
No emergency brake
No
or
e-brake,
brake.
nothing. We ain't got no damn drag truck, y'all. We can't even put brakes on. Shit on. This shit going to the side, man. Now I have to pump the handle and the foot. If I'd have won, everybody would be pissed.
What?
That Sub-Zero truck. I was gonna tear into it. She's gonna take all the good shit and put it on mine. And put all that crap off mine on that one and call it a daily.
Turn yours into Scorpion.
Yeah.
Get over here.
Yeah, Scorpion. Sub-Zero got slow all of a sudden. I promise if y'all just keep watching and giving us thumbs up, when we do get brakes and get it running, I'll make it worth you sitting around being bored. We're gonna make it worth that, at least. I'm gonna do a monster burnout. I'm gonna give it to it. You might have a dent in the floor when my foot goes down. I'm gonna be mad at it for a minute, think about all the stuff that I had to do over and over, and we're gonna
think about the brakes.
We're gonna make sure it works.
We back out here for day number 2. At least it ain't snowing or wind blowing.
Yeah, it ain't. It's a bright new day.
I think we're gonna figure this out, y'all. We're gonna try to adjust these things some more. I think that's the main problem with this thing.
That's all right. We like taking these big fat tires all here. Give us something to look at. No, one day we're gonna turn these babies. Both of these babies gonna be smoking. If it don't work, it's gonna work because we don't stop. We never gonna stop.
All right, we got the brakes adjusted. Now we're gonna push it back, maybe.
Oh Lord.
And see if the brake works. We got it, y'all. On it. I'm sure y'all couldn't have seen him holding the. Look, that thing's bending.
Yeah, we gotta put some.
We gotta build some extra legs on it. But it's holding. Let's do it again. Ugh. This thing is heavy. There it is. Heck yeah. And we ain't even got that adjusted tight yet either. So we can tighten that up. We definitely got to build some legs on that because it's bending.
Yeah, one to go over here.
Yeah. Maybe even one down right here. Have 4 legs. Make it sturdy.
We don't know if it fixed the whole brake problem, but pretty sure.
We got e-brakes.
Yeah, we got a brake, but I'm pretty sure they had something to do with it.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, I think so too.
Look at the weather. We don't give up.
What's wrong with the weather?
Nothing, it's nice.
That's little white balls of sunshine. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.
Like and subscribe again.